2, 4, 18, 2, 4, 24, 2, 4, 2, 4, 30, 2, 4, 30, and then there's 6 here, that's 36, 2, 4, 6, 42, 44, oops, 44 and 4, 48, there's 48 in here, and it says we're supposed to do 49, so hopefully we don't, because I'll be ticked off. I can't see needing an odd number. Based on you know, probably 6 on each end. On each side, this is going to be 4 brackets at 12 each. So, but just to put in here, I'm going to put 49 or 48 on my paper. I know this is boring, but I got to do this. Angle corner brackets times 8. Okay, that's these ones. So I'm assuming that's how most of that's going to be put together. Triple L bracket 8. That's these. Eccentric spacers. That's the normal ones. That's the lock collars. Eccentric spacers, 8mm, 21 of them. Yeah, eccentric spacers, 21 of them. Now I never counted them, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. Aluminum spacer, 6mm. That should be these then. That's 9mm. There's 6. 27 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think there's 27 in there. 6mm. We got 9mm and 40mm. Okay. We got precision shims, 8mm. Precision shims, there's 110 precision shims. And here it says I need 14. So I'm not sure why I have so many. So we'll leave it at that. Lock collars, 8 by 14 by 7, 8mm lock collars. So these will go on your what do you call it? On your Acme rod. M5 nylon lock nuts 53. Okay, well I'm assuming there's 53 there, so I'll have to count them all. Okay, and I went through everything, and these are extra. So 2, 4. I wonder if these are to hold the spoil board down, or up, or whatever you want to call it, because they're not on the sheet anywhere. So, but looks like all the other parts are here, so that's I guess positive. Other than one wheel and extra precision shims. So, so that's that. You know, like I said, these are parts that I printed from the purchase order. Okay. So hopefully that's it. Now, from the actual instructions, I'm going to do a quick comparison here now. And we have the 25. So we got T-nuts that are 80. Yeah. I remember the 25 T-nuts, drop-in ones. The 4-step motors, the 53, and the 8. Yes, I remember all those. Oh, and these, all these screws. 68 times 8, 24 times 12, 40 times 15, 8 times 20, 14 times 25, 6 times 30, 16 times 50, and 21. Yeah, so that's all the same. Okay. Remember these 8 brackets, these corner brackets, 21 eccentrics, and the spacers. Where were those spacers? 14 times 3, 27 times 6, 21 times 9, 16 times 40. Yep. And 116 precision shims, 98 included in Solomon Wheel Extreme package. Okay, so the wheel kit has 98 of them, and then there's 116. Well, I got 110. And you need 98 in the wheel. So I'm not sure if I'll have. I might be short 6 now. That'll be interesting to see. $49 wheels, and I got 45 of these bearings, 8 of these bearings, 1 of these, and I got 2 Acme screws here, so those aren't even right. 6 of these, 4 of these, and I got 48 of these. So I got the extrusions are correct. The plates. Yeah, I think and 4 end caps, 2 of these, 4 of these. Yeah, Z plate. 1 left, 1 right, and 2 of those. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's what I had. Okay, so yeah. So the part things don't quite line up. I'm not terribly concerned about one shim. I'm sure I can find a washer like that because it says precision shim. Just looks like a flat washer. I can make one of those, or a few of those if I run out. So I'm just concerned about the wheels. See, if I look 2, 4, 6, 8, and I'm assuming underneath there's 8, and we got in here 2. There's 2, 4, 6 on that Z. Can't quite see the other direction there. See, there's only 3 in the bottom, 4 in the top there. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 28. And 6 is 34, but I can't find the y-axis. Yeah, it doesn't really give me a good picture there. 34. Let's go back to the beginning. I think that's where that one was made. And then there's 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. Yeah. So it looks like we need 48 of those wheels. So there must be some typos in here. So anyway, that is the kit. So looks like I have the pieces. I can get it together, and hopefully in the next few days I'll start putting this together. I think all this is M5 screws. So while I'm on the video, they're all hex, so I'm gonna have to get some hex tools. I want to check here. Online they're saying, oh, the tap, you're gonna have to clean them out and stuff. I don't know, they seem pretty smooth to me. So, yeah, I think I'm okay with that. And I know some of these are a little different, apparently. Some are, see, these are just not square, and some of these were like more V. No, that has a V. They all have V wheels. The wheels are going to run on these right here. So, yeah. I don't know. It's not a real big machine and didn't cost a lot of money, but I'm really hoping that it does work. I hope I didn't spend, you know, I don't know what it was, $700 or $800 Canadian on this kit, and it doesn't work. I hope it does. There you have it.